long can you stage for? Go. He's coming, but it's not going to be in time. Goodbye. Hey. Got him. Nice. Alright guys, Motor Toys, we're out here at Street Warz. We're gonna have a little YouTube channel battle. Guys, it is packed. There's people drifting, there's fast Teslas, we're lining up. Street car class gets ready to run in about 15 minutes. So yeah, we got the crew out here tonight, guys. We're still waiting on a couple other people, Jay with the Freak and Jabril with the Ultima, but we've got Little Red out here, full bolt-on Civic SI. Got the Genesis tonight. Newer guy in the crew, we got the brand new Jetta GLI Autobahn. He's got a stage 1+ tune with a couple bolt-ons. This thing really runs good. We got Rich with the Challenger RT 6.4 liter. Mike's got the Focus manual. David's here with the EcoBoost Ranger 93 Unleashed tune, but now tonight he's on an E30 tune. Exhaust and intake. He's making over 400 horsepower. Guys, we got bikes here. It is going to be an all-timer. Last but not least, we've been having some fun in the pits with the Stampede VXL, and we got the 1550 Typhon here. Maybe get the chance to do some 8th miles against one tonight. We got some good cars out here, guys. Stay tuned.